This video is sponsored by SignX, the online document signing tool from Wondershare. It's an online app for signing documents with legally enforceable e-signatures, and I'll be talking about it more later on in the video. I think one of the coolest things about the creative process is that it's not something you can really explain in words, if that makes sense. You know, I can tell you what settings I use with my camera, what lenses I use, how I edit my videos, but even if you carbon copied everything I do, there's still going to be your own fingerprints on the end product that make it unique from what I do. So what I'm doing today is, after this brief explanation or introduction, I'm going to put some artsy music on in the background and let y'all just watch as I show you some behind the scenes of a lot of the looks and shots that you see on my channel. So the talking me you see right now, I'm going to head out so that you can just watch me as I put together the look of a lot of my videos. Pretty much just a bougie behind the scenes, which is something you honestly haven't seen much of on my channel, so let's go. Alright, so there's a place where artistic, creative work has its value, which hopefully you're able to get some of from this video so far, but of course there's a place for more structured, traditional business as well. That's where today's sponsor, SignX, comes into play. SignX is an online tool that basically allows you to have others sign digital documents with e-signatures that legally still carry the same weight as physical signatures. Let me walk you through the process. So let's say I have a contract I need a friend to sign. Maybe it's just an IOU, something simple, but I'm just being a little bit extra and I'm going for some solid backing behind his word. What I'll do is upload my PDF document to SignX, as you see here, put in his email address, and then use SignX's super simple and easy drag and drop text fields for the placement of the signature. Now we just finalize everything we did, and the document is sent to his email and well on its way to soon being signed with all legal force. What he's going to get is an official email with a button to sign the document with one click, and once he does that, the PDF will show up in my dashboard as completed, as you see here. We can click on the document and see the signature, and at this point, I have everything I need. And you can see how this process would unfold in a more professional business setting. Keep in mind, everything I just did was completely free because of a really generous trial period where you can send up to 5 documents for absolutely free. And even after that period, the pricing is competitive to other e-signing software like DocuSign. Overall, a simple yet effective and secure solution for all your e-signing needs. Alright, thanks so much for being here today. Hopefully you were able to absorb some positive creative energy so you can be on your way to work on whatever projects you have in the works in your life. And I appreciate you for being here today, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.